Diyan ka na lang.
Mommy! That's upside down like Alaska. Guys, this one was upside down like Alaska 961.
Okay, go ahead.
Four. No. Okay. At least did not go there, mommy. At least did not go there.
Yes.
Okay. One.
Ah, that's nice.
It keeps still flying.
What?
It keeps still flying.
Okay.
I need to go outside.
Hindi, ano, swim na kayo, video.
Wait, then we also go this one. Wait. Okay lang yan, Dayan. Ganyan.
One more.
Mommy, I finished it here.
Apa, one more.
We just had a regular small extension cord.
Galing ah.
And that would be up here.
One more. Galing ah. Ay, may paikot-ikot pa. Ang galing ah.
Kain ka muna. Dali kasi yung langaw. Jay, hawak sa akin. Hawak sa akin. Then I'll just see you without goggles. No, you hawak sa akin muna. I have a...
Ang ganda ng anak ko lang mga nising! Jerry Bean! Ayan, tanong nila natin si Jerry.